never tried crispy cheese tacos? Well, my friend Sofia taught me how to make her crispy cheese tacos with nopales and salsa verde and lots of garnishes. We're gonna start not with the crispy cheese part, but we're gonna start with the filling. For tacos, everything is important. The filling and the taco. So to make the filling, I have my pan over medium heat already. And I'm gonna add like a tablespoon or two of oil. And I have 8 scallions that I sliced. And then we're gonna add the tender cactus or nopalitos that you can now get in a jar. They have such a delicious citrusy taste. And then you can use any potato that you want. But I'm using Yukon Gold. I love the feel and the bite of this potato. And I just peeled it, diced it, and quickly cooked it for like 6 to 7 minutes over salted boiling water. And I'm gonna add it into the pan. I'm gonna add a little salt. Give it a stir. Okay, so I'm pouring now a jar of la costeña green salsa or salsa verde, which is tomatillo based. So I'm gonna pour the salsa right in here. Yum. As this continues to cook and season, I want these to thicken and the flavors to come all together. I have my tortilla, which I'm gonna heat over the comal. I wanna heat the tortilla first, even though it's gonna go over melty cheese, because I want the tortilla to be resilient and to warm and to toast a little bit on both sides, because I want it to be really malleable and soft, and I also wanted to have that kind of brown toasty taste. So once my tortilla has transformed, and you can see it's heating as it should be heating, because it starts making pockets of air on its surface, see? And you want it to brown a little too. And then this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna add like half a cup of grated Oaxaca cheese right here. It may seem like too much, but it's not too much. And it's gonna start melting. And you wanna let it melt. And you wanna let it create a crust. So this is gonna be the crispy cheese that is gonna stick on the tortilla. So we're gonna wait for it to completely melt. I'm gonna put the corn tortilla right on top. So now that melty cheese is gonna stick on the tortilla. Okay, are you taking a look at these? I mean, look, 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 look. The cheese is now completely stuck to the tortilla, which you want. Now we're gonna flip it. Ah, gorgeous! So this is the crispy cheese base for the taco. Ah, I'm thinking about the flavor of the salsa verde with the nopalitos and the soft bite of the potato, cheesy crust. Then we're gonna garnish, we're gonna dress this a little more. So I'm adding some fresh lettuce. I'm gonna have some queso fresco that I'm just gonna crumble right here on top. This is your crispy cheese taco with nopales in salsa verde. It's never too much to add a salsa on top of another salsa. So we have the salsa verde in the nopales, and here I have the salsa ranchera, which also has tomatillos, but it has a mix of fresh chiles, jalapeño, and dried chiles. Pasilla, guajillo, chile de árbol, hence the color, and it's a completely different taste. Cheese on cheese, yum. Salsa on salsa, super yum.